What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. We're out here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin for Harley-Davidson homecoming. Yes, we had just arrived last night. It's been raining non-stop since we got here. We just rode over to the House of Harley. House of Harley here, one of the biggest Harley dealers in Milwaukee. We just rode over here to check it out real quick before we head over to the museum today to meet up with Matt and the guys over there. We have a meet and greet tonight from 4 to 6 p.m. at Veterans Park. I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to meeting a lot of you subscribers that are from the Midwest, and I'm gonna show you guys around and show you guys all the vendors that are here at House of Harley today. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we have the dealership back here, and we got our bikes parked out front here on the street. Dave, Wheaties Performance, came along with us. My dad on his CBO ST, and then we got the turbo bike. Brought all the heavy hitters out to Milwaukee this weekend for homecoming. Can't wait to meet each and every one of you guys. Looks like we got Rick Rack set up over here in the main drag here. We got the Harley dealer to the left. And it's already starting to fill up, guys. It's only 11 a.m. here in Milwaukee. Got SBC Performance in the house as well. CVO RR out here. These guys make really cool billet parts for these bikes. All right, guys, we got Horsepower Inc. in the house. HPI, as most of you may know it. Selling some merch. Got some bikes out on display. We got Clean Moto in the house.
Right. Like there.
Check out the new Clean Moto headlight design for the new 24 and up fairings.
Oh, we got it.
Looks good. Got Tab Performance in the house. Check this out, guys. Faster Moto decals, motorcycle graphic kits. Check this out. This is a wrap. Look at the detail in that. That's really clean. Definitely like the way that turned out. Looks killer on there. got here to the museum in Milwaukee. Gonna check out all the different things here at the museum. It's my first time here, so I'm not sure where to go, but you can see here we got the museum in the background. We got my bike chilling here in the grass. We got my dad's ST, and we got Dave back here as well. Bring you guys along with me every step of the way throughout my journey here in Milwaukee for Harley-Davidson Homecoming. Let's get it. video, I'm gonna be able to get in there. We're here at Veterans Park for the meet and greet. So if you guys are here, make sure you guys come by and say what's up. And I'll see you guys inside. Guys, this is crazy. Bad weather's rolling in here to Milwaukee, and they just shut down the whole event here at Veterans Park. There's a tornado warning. We gotta evacuate and take shelter. So obviously I'm on the bike, so I'm gonna head back to the hotel and put the bike under shelter and try to beat the rain, because the last thing I wanna do is try to ride my turbo bike in the rain, let alone a freaking tornado. So we're gonna hop back on the bike, head back to the hotel, and hopefully the storm will pass over us and we can come back out later tonight and have a good time. So stay tuned, guys. I'll let you guys know what happens.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I see you on YouTube, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got a YouTube. I do RJ Productions.
Okay.
84.
Hell yeah.
I got that Whiskey DCBO.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sweet, man.
Hell yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. All right, yeah, I'm doing.
Crazy, guys. Everybody has to evacuate the premises. We're in Veterans Park here in Milwaukee, and they literally made everybody evacuate the concert and the whole venue here at Veterans Park. Crazy. Everybody was here to just have a good time and enjoy the night at the concert, and now we all have to evacuate and get out of here because unfortunately there is a tornado warning. There's a tornado in the area, and so we have to get out of here.
Nice film.
Thank you.